Welcome back everyone to viralstocks.io. Guys, I have an amazing couple of stocks to share with you guys in today's video. Some different stocks. One stock is actually up 264% today, and a lot of these are not traditional stocks like we usually talk about. These are not FDA approval catalysts or anything like that, but it is something else that still showed up on our radar. So guys, we have some great stocks to talk about. You already know the drill. We have been doing this for over 5 years, guys, providing this free service to you of short-term trading opportunities. We ultimately do not care what the overall market is doing. I'm not here to bring you guys the next long-term investment, the next dividend stock, or anything of that nature. I'm here to bring you guys short-term, high probability trading opportunities. That is stocks that could pop off the opening bell and you can make a lot of money on in a very short amount of time. Now, a lot of stocks have not been popping over 100% because this is a rough market. We've only been seeing anywhere from 20 to 40% gains, but we have a 264-ish percent gainer in today's video, so make sure and stay tuned. Now guys, if you want to be a part of this, like I mentioned, this is a completely free service. We will never charge you a dime. All you have to do is click the link in the description below or go to viralstocks.io and you guys can put in your email address right here. In addition to that, text messages are way quicker, so make sure and enter in your phone number on the next page as well. Enter in both of these and you'll be sent completely free stock alerts. Guys, this is not an advertisement whatsoever. We're not going to be blowing you up with random messages all to give you one good stock opportunity. That is not going to happen. You will only be getting an email or a text when we have an opportunity for you, which is depending maybe once or twice a week if we have those opportunities to share with you guys. So like I said, it is completely free, costs you nothing to try it out. Just enter in your email and your text messages so you can get these much faster, and you will also have access to our completely free penny stock ebook. This is an extremely valuable tool that you get for free just by entering in your email. Anyways guys, let's get to the first stock on this list, and arguably the most exciting. This stock, RESN is the ticker symbol. Renaissance Incorporated is up 250% today. That is absolutely massive gains, and as you can see, it went from $1.24 just straight up to about $4.30. That is amazing, and this was off of some very important news. But unlike news that we normally cover on this channel, so as we can see, 5 things to know about the deal sending Renaissance up 250%. So it says this little known stock is skyrocketing on the news that it is being acquired at a hefty premium. And so this is not usually what we look at. We do not usually see acquisitions, at least we haven't lately, but this is very important. So it says Renaissance is a company that specializes in radio frequency products. Murata Electronics, hopefully I'm pronouncing that right, but they are on the OTC markets. They're actually acquiring this company at a 265% premium over Renaissance stock. The closing price, $1.23 a share yesterday, and now we are seeing this stock upwards of over $4 per share. That is absolutely massive gains that investors were able to see there. Now, I know you guys don't really care too much about what is actually going on specifically in this deal. We just like those short-term gains and then we get out. But if you are curious, Renaissance is based in Austin, Texas, and it works to innovate the design of radio frequency for mobile phones and other wireless devices. Now, Renaissance and the company, they have already had a strategic partnership in the past before today's acquisition was announced, but they plan to expand this partnership, and obviously now they are getting acquired. So very important there and a great opportunity for investors. We did not send this one out, but these are the types of stocks that we look for when they come across our radar, when they have big news either in the day prior or in the post-market or pre-market, and then we start to see them show up on our scanner and our stock screener when we see they're having some heavy volume, heavy price action. These would be stocks that we would send out to you guys as possible trading opportunities. Just remember, we are not financial advisors. These are only suggestions. If you want to take them, that is completely up to you. They're just stocks that you may want to look at. And like I mentioned, if you want stocks like these, it is very easy. I'm not asking you to buy or pay for anything. Sign up in the description below with your email and your text alert, and we will send them right out. Now, the next stock on today's list, you're going to be surprised. It's very similar, the opportunity that it presented. And this is ticker symbol TSEM on the NASDAQ. Tower Semiconductor up 42-ish% here to almost $50 per share. Let's see what happened. Well, another acquisition here from a huge company. Intel actually agreed to buy Tower Semiconductor for $4.4 billion, a pretty big deal here. So Intel has agreed to buy the company for just over $5 billion. The company announced on Tuesday as it seeks to meet rampant demand for computer chips. Intel shares were up more than 1% in early trading. Obviously, that's a huge company, which is, it's not going to have the effect that a smaller company like Tower Semiconductor could have, and that those shares are up about 40%. So obviously an opportunity was presented there with Tower Semiconductor. Now Intel will pay $53 per share for this deal, which obviously exceeds their last closing price of $33.13. They expect this deal to close in about 12 months. So that is a big opportunity that investors had there with Tower Semiconductor. Once again, another great opportunity was presented in the day before, the day prior, with great price action in the morning and in the pre-market. Obviously, another stock that we would have sent out to our investors. And another one here is iPower, ticker symbol IPW. This is another stock up 31%. So guys, as you can see, just because the market is trending downwards does not mean there is not opportunities, at least for the way that we work things. Now, some channels are just buy the dip channels. You know, they just keep buying the dip, which could be a great strategy truly for long-term investors if that's what you are into. But for people who are just looking to make a quick buck, this is another way to do it as well, where you just focus on runners, you just focus on stocks with big news and good opportunities. You get in, get out, take your money and run, and then maybe put some of those profits in your longer term portfolios. But this is how we do it on this channel. Short-term investments, we catch pops like this. So as we can see, 8 things here for investors to know about IPW. So basically, this company just had some amazing news come out. They announced they were teaming up to create a joint venture focused on social media such as TikTok. Pretty much their goal is here just to create a social commerce platform. This platform is going to operate under Global Social Media LLC. They're committing $100,000 to this deal, 60% equity interest, and just a way to create a fully end-to-end solution for brand manufacturers looking to sell their products via social media channels. So really a great opportunity here. And as we can see, it says similar from the CEO, it says similar to our recently launched logistics joint venture, we have identified another low-cost opportunity to enter a new services category that can also benefit our hydroponics business. So another great opportunity here. And I'll wrap it up here with the last stock on today's list. This is one that we actually included in our article on our website just a couple days ago, and our investors were able to make anywhere from 10 to 50% gains on this stock over the last few days. So as we can see, this stock sold way off 94% from its 52-week high, but then that was obviously after they were battling their FDA approval, but then they got some good news after a judge granted judicial stay of the marketing denial order that was previously issued by this Food and Drug Administration. So that is great. The CEO owns a ton of this company, so it truly was a great opportunity there. And as we can see, if we look at the price action, the stock acted very, very well. So just over the last one day, this stock is up about 8% and actually was up as high as 21% there. I think it went to about 25% over the last 5 days, which is when we called it a couple of days ago, up 88%. Let's see, I believe this article was written, the 10th of February here. So if we jump back over to KAVL, this is February 9th. So we actually wrote it on this dip here around $1.67 is when you guys would have been able to get in. And at its highs, this would have been a 90% gain. Obviously, taking profit anywhere along the way would have been a great opportunity there. But see, these are just opportunities that we present to you guys as investors. And obviously, all of it is completely free. So guys, if you are interested in this, make sure and head over to viralstocks.io and sign up on our website. You can email us at info@viralstocks.io if you have any trouble. Contact us on any social media. And also the link will very easily be in the description below. Sign up with your email, then sign up as text messages. Get your free ebook on penny stocks to learn how you guys can do this exactly how we do it. And look out for some great opportunities. We have some brewing. Anyways, though, guys, that is all I have for this video. Thank you for watching. Make sure and subscribe, comment, come sign up, be one of our subscribers, follow us on all social media. And as always, guys, I will see you in the next video.